Alright, so I don't have school today. I'm so freaking lucky because I'm sick. I have like I don't know what it is in Fahrenheit, but I have 37 Celsius, and bro, I'm just freaking amazing right now. Like I don't even feel that bad. I'm just so glad I don't have to go to school. Like it's 10 a.m. right now. I would have been sitting in some disgusting chair, squeezing my balls pretty much, going on my phone because there's nothing else better to do. So I'm gonna share with you, bro, how I actually survive school and try to like get some type of value out of school. So just some quick things that I do. So the first thing I do, which honestly is one of the smartest things I think I did this year and last year, is to wake up early. Wake up early, and instead of like staying up late to, oh, I gotta do all these things, instead of just staying up late when you're already tired, when you're already drained from school, when you really don't know what to do with your life, just wake up earlier. Like let's say you go home from school at like 3 or 5 if you have sports or something, and then you just go to sleep at 8. And then when you go to sleep at 8, you're like, it's not even like a bad problem because you are tired and you actually just are done with the day. So then when you wake up at 5, you have 3 hours to work, 2 hours to work, okay, maybe 1 hour. 1 hour to work on something really meaningful. And if you do the most important things in that 1 hour, you will see a lot more progress. You will see a lot more progress. And also, what I do is like I try to do some stuff, some type of light work in school, whether it's just like scripting videos for this channel, whether it's like doing this or this. I try to do something at school, just not try to do nothing. And I also, maybe if I do have energy after school, I will do some work at school, after school. But I will make sure I actually sleep well so I can wake up at 5 feeling amazing and actually get a lot done. So yeah. So the next thing I do in school to survive it, because it's a freaking horrible place, is I lock in at school. I really just lock in. I focus on all the school assignments because I don't want any homework. I'm not trying to do some dumb homework I don't care about, really. So I just do all the homework, all the schoolwork, all that stuff in school. I don't like really, I try not to procrastinate on it. And I would say I'm quite successful at it. I just try to do it at school. So then I just don't have to worry about it outside of school. And because there's like barely any schoolwork nowadays, it's just like boring stuff. It's actually doable. And even if I can't like finish everything at school, I just copycat the next thing I do. I know it might sound weird to like cheat and stuff, but if you don't really care about school and like I feel like with copycatting, like I just actually learn so much faster because when I see how they did the math problem, when I see like the person I got the answers from, I see how they did the math problem, like, oh, that's how you do it. Yeah, you do this and then you like take out the 2 and then okay, I see how you do it, and then I learn. I actually learn faster from just copying than what is it called? Just learning like in the 1 hour or 2 hour class. So much better, bro, honestly. Now maybe copycatting isn't for you, but I would just try like learn from people that are like learn from people that are successful, have the A in the class or something, and try to be around them more. Like talk to them, sit next to them, really be around them so you can learn off them and be the same as them. Because I don't know about you, but my parents, they want all A's. They want like A's and B's, and if I get a C, I'm pretty much dead. So I really do this to the fullest extent. So yeah, just trying to copy off of other people when you need it. It sounds weird. It sounds like it's wrong, but I just feel like it's so worth it. It really is. And you still learn like how to do it. So I feel like a lot of times where like I could do the work, but it would just be way faster if I copy it. So I'd rather just copy it if it like running out of time. And yeah, so the next thing I do at, bro, what is that thing in the background, bro? Bro, every time like you can't enjoy the nature anymore, bro. Just freaking World War III is happening in the background or something, bro. So anyways, the next thing I do in school to actually survive that horrible place is to have fun. Like enjoy the moments I have. Joke around with my classmates, fool around, be a goof. Like just have fun. Don't stress about school 24/7. Oh, what if I get a bad grade on this one test? What if I do this wrong? Like don't stress about school. Have fun. If you really want to get the most out of school, have fun. Enjoy being there, you know. And more ways I can have fun is like joke around with my classmates, joke around with the teachers, genuinely try to be myself. Really just have fun in school. Wouldn't that be amazing if you could just have fun in school? So I feel like if there's moments where you can actually just have fun, enjoy yourself, do it. Have fun in school. Enjoy yourself. Another thing I like to do, which is just so funny to do, it might sound a little weird or wrong, but like just cutting in the lunch line or leaving class early, like a minute late or 30 seconds late before the bell rings. I mean early. Leaving like 10 seconds early before the bell rings. Like it doesn't really matter, and it just like gets you at your comfort more. Things like that. And like cutting, you can like talk to the people that like, oh, what's up? Like, can I cut or something? Like, I know you or something. You know, just it sounds a little weird, but I feel like just cutting and like doing those small little like rule breakers, but like nobody really cares about it. I feel like if you do more, like you can put yourself out there more and enjoy school more. And the last thing I'm gonna say, how I survived school, is to, what is it freaking, I forgot. Develop your skills. Develop your skills in school, whether it's by talking, whether it's by socializing, putting yourself out there more, getting out your comfort. You know, develop your skills more. Try to really talk to the teachers, talk to the lunch lady, talk to the bus driver you have. Put yourself out there more. Because really, I used to think I was so lonely and I had no one to talk to, but I was going to school every single day. There was literally like 500 people I can talk to, and I wasn't talking to any one of them, really. So, yeah, really just try to talk to people, bro. Whether it's just by saying hi, saying goodbye, saying this, saying that, just saying some little things and trying to be the first one to say something instead of just waiting for everyone to talk to you. So, yeah, I feel like that's a really good thing you can learn. And the last thing I want to leave you on, which is extremely important, is being stoic. Like, yeah, you could complain about school. Yeah, you can say, yeah, it sucks. It sucks. School sucks. School is terrible. Like, we probably don't like school that much. We can either complain about it, we can moan about it, we can cry, or we can actually just try to use it to the best of our ability. Like, school, like, it's probably not going to change. We're probably going to have to go to school until we graduate. So we can either make something out of those moments, get experiences, get moments, get great things we can learn from in school. Or we could just complain about it, do nothing, stay lonely, do nothing in school. Just be one of those people who just like wears a mask and like just doesn't talk to anyone, kind of. I was that person in middle school. Just be one of those people. Lonely, doesn't want to talk to anyone, nervous as poop, awkward, or actually try to develop their skills. Actually try to make some meaning out of school. Because, like, when you're done with school, like, you're probably never going to see those people again. So I might as well just try to make the most out of school. Really. So, yeah. If you found this video helpful or interesting, I really hope you did, because I post videos like these every single day to help you. Yeah. Bro, I don't know what is it with me, bro. I just can't do outros for the life of me. So, yeah. Click this video right here. Subscribe to my channel. I post videos to help you every single day. I really hope you like this video. If you want, you can join my Discord community to level up more and, you know, gain that experience, get like-minded people connected with each other. So yeah, found this video helpful, liked. I'll see you later, bro. Take care. This is how I survived hell.